In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Excel sheet on HubSpot CRM in 2025 step by step. We'll walk through the whole process from signing in, choosing the right data, fine-tuning what's included, and downloading a clean Excel file you can use right away. Follow along on your own screen, pause where you need to, and by the end, you'll have a reliable export you can share or analyze. Start by heading to the HubSpot website and signing in with your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, move to the top navigation and open the area that holds the records you want to export. If you're working with people, choose Contacts and then Contacts. If your goal is organizations, go to Companies. For pipeline information, pick Deals, and for support data, choose Tickets. Selecting the correct object up front ensures your export contains the exact type of records and fields you expect. You'll now be in the table view for that object, seeing rows of records and columns for each property. This is a great moment to narrow things down. Apply filters to focus on the records that matter, such as a specific list, a date range, life cycle stage, or ticket status. Remember, whatever is visible in this view is what HubSpot will use as the basis for your export, so filtering here helps you avoid a bloated file later. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the page and click Export. This opens a pop-up with your export options. First, choose the file format. Select Excel XLSX if you want a native spreadsheet that opens nicely in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. CSV works too, especially for importing into other systems, but XLSX is generally more convenient for everyday analysis. Next, decide what to export. You can include all properties, which pulls every available field for those records, or choose only selected columns. If you want a cleaner, easier to read file, Selected Columns is the better choice because it mirrors the columns currently visible in your table view. That way, you export exactly what you've been looking at, no extra clutter. Confirm your choices by clicking Export. HubSpot will process the file. This can take a few moments depending on how many records you've included. You can keep working in HubSpot while it finishes. Finally, download your file. You'll either get a direct download notification inside HubSpot or an email with a secure download link. Open the file in Excel to review, sort, or share it with your team. That's it. Your data, neatly packaged and ready to go.